Hello, let's learn English together, one step at a time. I wake up in the morning, the sun is in the sky. I open up my window and say, today I'll try. I wash my face with water, I look into the mirror, I smile and say good morning. My English will grow bigger. One word, two words, say them slow. Little by little you will grow. Every day, every night, we can learn and speak it right. Step by step, don't be afraid. English grows when it is said. Listen close, speak again. Practice more with family and friends. Every day, every night, you can shine. Your future's bright.
I drink a cup of coffee, or maybe drink some tea. I say, how are you today? You say,
I'm happy.
I walk outside the house, I see a dog, a tree. I say the words in English, it feels so good to me. One sentence to try again. Don't stop now, you can win. Every day, every night, we can learn and speak it right. Step by step, don't be afraid. English grows when it is said. Listen close, speak again. Practice more with family and friends. Every day, every night, you can shine. Your future's bright. It's okay to make mistakes, that is how we learn. Every time you try again, your English takes a turn. Close your eyes, hear the sound. English words are all around. Every day, every night, we can learn and speak it right. Step by step, don't be afraid. English grows when it is said. Listen close, speak again. You don't have to be perfect, my friend. Every day, every night, you are learning, and that's right. Hello, goodbye, see you soon. In English.